Fun Size Science. Welcome to a new series by Unbiased Science called Fun Size Science. We're here again with the Fun Size Immune Ninja, Dr. Amy Bernard, brilliant immunologist, to answer a question that many of you have asked, which is, why does getting multiple vaccines not overwhelm a child's immune system?
That is an amazing question. Thank you. And I am asked this quite a bit. And the reason is that our immune system is composed of billions and trillions of immune cells. And there are some special forces in our immune system that are called B cells and T cells. And each of these cells has a unique target or piece of pathogen that it would be specific for, the way that it was particularly built. And each cell in our body has this unique target or specificity. So if you combine all of them in our body at the same time, we have, billions or trillions of different combinations for things that will, target different pieces of pathogen. So they have this unique specificity individually, but this combined, tremendous diversity. So anytime a pathogen comes into our body, only those immune cells that are specific or would see that as their target are going to respond. So for every, I have let's say a billion B cells in my body. SARS-CoV-2 comes in, I might have just a few that's their thing that they were built for. They're going to go after it, and all the rest are just going to kind of relax and chill out. They're waiting for their specific pathogen. So we only have a few that respond to any given pathogen because of the way the immune system is built. We need to have cells that are specific for or could target any pathogen that comes our way. So we have to build it so we're ready to go. Another analogy I like to use when I'm teaching my students is if you were to go into a hospital, like a big hospital, and you have all these different specialists. If I go in with a heart condition, I'm only going to see the cardiologist because that's the specialist that knows how to work with my heart or look at my heart. And all the rest of the specialists are going to, relax when I walk in the door. They'll have nothing to do. But if you go in for a pulmonologist or a lung problem, that's the person who will be activated and work with you, and the rest will just kind of relax and wait. So that's a way of thinking of it is our immune system has billions and trillions of cells that are built for different things, and each time a pathogen comes our way, only those that see that as a target will respond. So if you give your baby 4 or 5 or 6 different immunizations in one day, that's fine. Only the cells that are built for those particular things will respond, and all the other billions of cells will just kind of hang out waiting for their thing to come by. So you can't overwhelm the immune system. It's an impossibility.
Does that help? You. It does. It does. Thank you so much, Amy. Fun Size Science.